Toyota's full-size, body-on-frame hybrid beast just got a major upgrade. Meet the ** 2027 Toyota Sequoia **, now bolder, smarter, and more capable than ever. Toyota has officially given its flagship 3 rows of a mid-cycle refresh, introducing a sharper exterior design, an all-new factory overlanding ** Trailhunter Package **, standard 14-inch screens across all models, and Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, powered by the 437 horsepower iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid. Welcome back to ** DRX Automobi **. Today, we are breaking down all the design changes, off-road tech, and new features of the 2027 Sequoia. For 2027, the Sequoia gets a cleaner, wider stance up front with a revised grille, squared-off lower bumper, and brighter LED lighting. But the biggest news is the debut of the ** Trailhunter Package **, available right from the SR5 trim. It equips the Sequoia with an upgraded Old Man Emu off-road suspension, Michelin LTX Trail tires on bronze wheels, front recovery hooks, underbody skid plates, and an electronically locking rear differential for serious overlanding. Under the bonnet, the 2027 Sequoia retains its formidable ** 3-point for lighter twin-turbo V6 iForce Max hybrid engine **, generating a massive ** 437 horsepower ** and ** 583 lb-ft of torque ** through a 10-speed automatic. It delivers up to * 9,500 lbs of towing capacity **. Even better, Toyota has added an available ** to point for kW onboard power inverter **, allowing you to run heavy-duty appliances, tools, or camping gear directly from the vehicle. Inside, Toyota has ditched the old 8-inch screen, making the massive ** 14-inch touchscreen standard across every single 2027 trim **. It features faster 5G AT&T connectivity, a customizable home screen, and improved "Hey Toyota" voice commands. You also get a standard built-in ** drive recorder dashcam **, enhanced digital key functionality, and the upgraded ** Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 ** driver assist suite. With its rugged new look, factory Trailhunter kit, and upgraded cabin tech, the 2027 Toyota Sequoia is ready to dominate both family road trips and remote trails. Would you pick the new Trailhunter over a Chevy Tahoe Z71 or Ford Expedition Tremor? Let us know in the comments below. Hit subscribe for ** DRX Automobi **, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.